Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ali Husaini bin Ahmad Jamsari. My matrix number is AA20052. So, today I will present about the final project of our group, which is we choose the title Easy Vroom. So, first of all, I will introduce you to my teammates, which is the lead of my team is Hanis bin Hussein. And her group members are Julita Ashikin and me. Next, we will look at the topic that we will present. So, we will present as many as 3 chapters, of which chapter 1 is the introduction, chapter 2 is literature review, and the chapter 3 is methodology and estimate of project cost calculation. So, for the chapter 1, I will present about the introduction, background of project, problem statement, objective, and project scope. First, we will look at the introduction. Vehicles are already like a daily mandatory necessities for human beings. Next, transportation also continues to evolve to the next level until the existence of new transportation. Next, this electric scooter has received a lot of positive feedback because of the size and style of the scooter. Furthermore, people prefer riding a scooter to going anywhere than riding a motorcycle because the design of electric scooter is more attractive in terms of shape and material, and it is easier to use. And also, electric scooter run electricity, making it harder to get dirty than motorcycles that run on gasoline. Next, electric scooters are also more user-friendly for both adults and children. Next, our group decide on electric scooter as our final year project, focusing solely on students. So next, we will look at the background of project. For your information, the title of our final year project is electric scooter. So, for 1740, Benjamin Franklin and Andrew Gordon developed the first electric motor, invented the particle battery that could offer a consistent source of power for electric motor in 1799. Next, in 1911, gas-fueled scooter marketed. Many businesses began producing gas-powered scooter. So, in 1996, the first mass-produced electric scooter by Peugeot, heavy and not very eco-friendly due to its nickel-cadmium batteries. So, in 2009 until today, more efficient lithium-ion battery to create quick home rechargeable scooter. Its portability, ease of usage, minimal environment footprint, inexpensive maintenance, and fuel loss. So, next we will look at the problem statement. From our findings, there are many problems from electric scooters that are in the market, such as the scooter introduced were too expensive for students. Second, the scooter is not friendly. Third, the scooter is too heavy for students, especially for female students. And the last one, the scooter is too fast and not suitable for use by students. So, for the last slide, for objective and project scope, for objective, design and fabricate an upgradable electric scooter for students. For project scope, design using computer-aided design. Next, affordable electric scooter. Furthermore, only one person is allowed to ride the electric scooter. Next, can only recommended weight under 100 kg. Next, lighter than is easy to carry. And the maximum speed of this motor is 50 km per hour.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Hanis bin Hussein and my matrix number is AA200268. I will present chapter 2, which is a literature review. Introduction. Easy Vroom can ease the burden and make easier for consumer to go to somewhere, especially university students. Easy Vroom also does not require petrol or driver license and an affordable price. Easy Vroom can attract the attention of people around, and the structure of the scooter is suitable for use in today's economy. Next, electric scooter concept. The concept of electric scooter is our project is a combination of concept between of mechanical and electrical concept in producing a complete electric scooter structure that can move using electricity. There are many tools involving mechanics used in the production of this project such as welding, milling, and so on. Electric scooter 100% uses an electric motor, so this scooter does not need gasoline to move. In this case, with the existence of electric scooter can reduce air pollution as well as noise. This scooter also uses a battery that can be recharged after use. Next, I will explain in detail the different standard commercial electric scooter with easy Vroom. First, standard commercial electric scooter using top speed 45 km per hour, while easy Vroom using 45 km per hour. Next, standard commercial electric scooter has safety features as brake and front and rear light, while easy Vroom has side mirror, signal, brake, front and rear light. Next, standard commercial electric scooter using 900 watt power, while easy Vroom using 500 watt power. Next, standard commercial electric scooter and easy Vroom has same acceleration, which are 36 km per square. After that, standard commercial electric scooter using 48 voltage, while easy Vroom using 24 voltage. Next, driving mode of standard commercial electric scooter using is all-terrain, while easy Vroom is easy urban environment. Next, the maximum distance the standard commercial electric scooter can move is 20 km, while easy Vroom can move maximum 8 km. After that, battery lifetime of standard commercial electric scooter is 250 cycles, while for easy Vroom 45 minutes. Next, the feature of standard commercial electric scooter is heavy, versatile, expensive, and moderately safe. Why? Easy Vroom lightweight, versatile, affordable, safer, convenient, and economic. Next, the maximum weight value that can be ridden for the standard scooter. Next, the maximum weight value that can be ridden for the standard scooter is up 120 kg, while easy Vroom 100 kg. Lastly, the weight of product of standard scooter is 43 kg, while easy Vroom is 47 kg. Next, how electric scooter move. Easy Vroom movement occur to the motor, battery, and even a controller that can control the movement or direction of this scooter. Electric scooter have two wheels that are propelled by an electric motor that is attached to the scooter back end. The movement of this electric scooter is very easy, which we just twist the handle on the right side, and we can control the speed of the scooter by controlling the turning angle on the handle. The concept of electric movement of this scooter is similar to the concept of motorcycle movement. By twisting the handle, an electric hub motor transfers power from the engine to the back wheel of the motorized scooter, causing the wheel to spin. In addition, the advanced braking system used is standard on power scooter, making stopping easy, safe, and comfortable. Next, study of material use. The main material that needs to be on easy Vroom is motor DC, plate steel, steel square tube, brush motor controller, lithium-ion battery, handle, wheelbarrow, and chain. Next, the tool used throughout the making or producing of easy Vroom is welding machine, drilling machine, grinder, and bending machine. Next summary. This easy Vroom was created especially for university students to go to somewhere, especially on campus, quickly, safely, and save time. This method of producing electric scooter is started by buying the material needed to produce electric scooters. Next, we do fabrication by cutting material such as milk stay, tube, and plate stay using the predetermined diameter. The cutting of steel uses a grinder because this equipment speeds up the cutting and even saves time. Next, the steel is joined using the welding machine and screw. Furthermore, steel bending to produce unique shapes uses a bending machine.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Taj Harani and my metric number is AA200719. In this video, I will explain the methodology used in this project. There are 4 important pieces of info described in this chapter, which are flowchart, procedure of project, design concept, and project material list. In this chapter, the processes or approaches for identifying, selecting, processing, and analyzing information regarding an electric scooter or easy Vroom are described in detail. There are also description of what easy Vroom is and how it was developed well enough so it can be assessed and its trustworthiness and validity may be believed. There are also preliminary sketches and detailed 3-dimensional drawing using SolidWorks described here. Then, the flowchart in this chapter begins with the material collection, which defines the drawing sketch and material selection. After that, virtual design includes design sketch and design selection using SolidWorks software, and continue with the analysis of material dimension measurements as well as the battery and motor DC installation. After the process of fabrication like cutting, welding, and grinding, we will be testing the product, and if the result is failed, we will be repeated the fabrication process until we achieve success. This study includes early research of electric scooters that have existed in several places around the world, including Malaysia. Essentially, product research aids in the identification of unmet product demands, product feature development possibilities, and product awareness and preference. Hence, by understanding all of the aforementioned factors, the product may be modified to meet current demands and prevent flaws identified in previous merchandise. Here are the processes that were implemented to make this project flawless. Program definition, information gathering, concept generation, and evaluation of the generated concept are the 4 phases that make up the conceptual design. Overall, various aspects are considered as final design selection factors for our easy Vroom, including functionality, capability, security, cost, material suitability, size, and easy Vroom maintenance. However, some characteristics of each design stay constant, such as functionality, in which each electric scooter is in the sketch facilitates the movement of its users from one spot to another. Hence, other elements such as safety, stability, maintenance, and the easy Vroom's construction process are compared for each initial sketch in order to choose the sketch as the best final design. So finally, concept design 5 was chosen as the final design for this easy Vroom project despite several rounds of discussion among group members. The main reason that chose the design concept as the project scooter design was that it was easier to manufacture and had a design that looked stable to ride. There is no doubt that the designs displayed in the early stage of the project are more appealing and stable, but the production method for the design concept is sophisticated and doesn't fit with the fresh talents like us. Other than that, the costs needed are reasonable as well as not really excessive to spend. Here is the picture of the dimensional drawing of our overall design of the electric scooter. Last but not least, information in this video is about the material list that has been added to our easy Vroom scooter. So the project material list used in this project is my steel plate, which is to support the scooter as the footwear platform, and my steel square tube as the main material of the scooter's frame and source of strength, DC motor, which is determines top speed, acceleration, hill climbing ability, power consumption, and performance, lithium-ion battery, such as the source of energy for electric scooter, straight force for freestyle riding, wheelbarrow tire, which is to be the contact between scooter and road surface, handlebar to steering the direction of scooter, side pull caliper brake, which to decelerate the scooter, shock absorber, absorb or dampen the compression and rebound of the springs and suspension, front light to help the rider to be able to see further in front of them or clearly in dark places, seat to support the user's buttocks and back, backlight illuminate the road ahead and rear-facing tail light so drivers behind can see the users, signal light which provide guidance for bicyclists at intersection where they may have different needs from other users, side mirror which used to observe objects from both sides and behind. from us. Thank you.